Have you ever wondered which islands are truly giant? When we think of islands, images of paradise, adventure, and pristine landscapes often come to mind. But what if I told you that some islands are so massive, they dwarf entire countries? Prepare yourself because you're about to embark on a journey to discover the 7 largest islands in the world. From the sun-drenched coastlines of Australia to the ice-covered expanse of Greenland, we'll uncover the secrets of these colossal land masses. Get ready to be surprised because some of these islands might just rewrite your understanding of just how grand our planet truly is. Our journey begins with a landmass so vast, it's often mistaken for a continent in its own right. Spanning over 2.9 million square miles, Australia claims the title of the world's largest island. But Australia is more than just its size, it's a world unto itself. Imagine traversing the arid expanse of the outback, where the sun beats down on ancient red rock formations and kangaroos bound across the dusty plains. Then, picture yourself diving into the vibrant coral gardens of the Great Barrier Reef, a delicate ecosystem teeming with life that stretches for over 1,400 miles. From snow-capped peaks to lush rainforests, Australia's diverse landscapes are a testament to the power of nature's artistry. This island continent is also a land of ancient stories, passed down through generations of Aboriginal Australians, the custodians of the land for over 65,000 years. Their deep connection to the land and its creatures is woven into the very fabric of Australian culture. But as we marvel at Australia's grandeur, it's important to remember the challenges it faces. Climate change casts a long shadow over this land of extremes, from intensifying bushfires to threatening the delicate balance of the Great Barrier Reef. Australia is a land of stark contrasts where the ancient and modern collide. Our next destination takes us to the far reaches of the Northern Hemisphere, to a land sculpted by ice and wind. Greenland, the world's largest island that isn't classified as a continent, dominates the North Atlantic with its colossal presence. Imagine a vast expanse of ice and snow, stretching as far as the eye can see. This is Greenland, a land where glaciers carve through mountains, and icebergs the size of cities calve into the frigid waters. Greenland's ice sheet, a relic of the last ice age, holds enough frozen water to raise global sea levels by over 20 feet if it were to melt completely. The sheer scale of this icy wilderness is both awe-inspiring and a stark reminder of the planet's fragility. But Greenland is more than just a frozen wasteland. Along its coastline, vibrant communities thrive, their cultures shaped by centuries of adaptation to this harsh yet beautiful environment. The Inuit people, for example, have called this land home for thousands of years, their traditions and knowledge intricately linked to the rhythms of the ice and sea. Their resilience in the face of a changing climate is a testament to the enduring human spirit. In recent years, Greenland has become a focal point for climate change research. Our journey now takes us to the tropics, to an island where emerald green rainforests meet azure waters. Borneo, the 3rd largest island in the world, is a treasure trove of biodiversity, a living testament to the power of nature's imagination. Imagine stepping into a world where sunlight filters through a dense canopy of leaves, casting dappled shadows on the forest floor. The air is alive with the sounds of insects and birdsong, a symphony of life that has played out for millennia. Borneo is home to some of the oldest rainforests on Earth, their tangled roots reaching deep into the island's volcanic soil. These ancient forests are a haven for an astonishing array of plants and animals, many found nowhere else on Earth. Picture the elusive clouded leopard, its coat patterned like the sunlight filtering through the leaves, or the orangutan, swinging effortlessly through the canopy, its intelligence shining in its eyes. But Borneo's natural treasures are under threat. Rapid deforestation, driven by the insatiable demand for palm oil and timber, is pushing this island's delicate ecosystem to the brink. Chapter 4: Sumatra, land of tigers and volcanoes. Our exploration of the world's largest islands now takes us to Sumatra, a land where towering volcanoes pierce the sky and dense rainforests teem with life. Sumatra, the 6th largest island in the world, is a place where adventure and natural wonder collide. Imagine trekking through lush rainforests, the air heavy with the scent of damp earth and exotic blooms. Here you might catch a glimpse of the critically endangered Sumatran orangutan swinging through the canopy, or the majestic Sumatran tiger, its stripes blending into the dappled sunlight. Sumatra is a land of dramatic landscapes, where volcanic peaks rise above fertile plains, their slopes cloaked in emerald green rice paddies. The island is home to over 100 active volcanoes, a testament to the powerful forces that shape this land. But Sumatra's beauty is fragile. Like many of the world's rainforests, Sumatra's forests are under threat from deforestation, driven by the demand for palm oil, pulp, and paper. The loss of these forests not only threatens the survival of iconic species like the orangutan and the Sumatran tiger, but also has devastating consequences for the island's indigenous communities. Despite the challenges, there is hope. Conservation efforts are underway to protect Sumatra's remaining forests and the incredible biodiversity they harbor. By supporting sustainable practices and raising awareness about the importance of conservation, we can all play a role in ensuring that Sumatra's natural wonders continue to inspire awe for generations to come. Chapter 5: Great Britain, an island of history and innovation. Our journey now takes us to the cooler climates of the North Atlantic, to an island steeped in history and renowned for its cultural impact on the world. Great Britain, the largest island in Europe, is a place where ancient traditions meet modern innovation. Imagine yourself strolling through the rolling hills of the English countryside, dotted with charming villages and ancient stone circles, remnants of a time when druids roamed these lands. Then picture yourself standing in the heart of London, a global metropolis pulsating with energy, a center of finance, culture, and innovation. Great Britain is a land of contrasts, where the echoes of the past resonate in the present. It's the birthplace of Shakespeare, Newton, and Darwin, individuals whose ideas shaped the course of human history. From the Industrial Revolution, which transformed the world, to the digital age, Great Britain has been at the forefront of innovation. Its universities, museums, and research institutions continue to push the boundaries of human knowledge. But Great Britain is also a land of natural beauty. Chapter 6: Victoria Island, a frozen wilderness. Our journey now takes us to the far reaches of the Canadian Arctic archipelago, to an island where polar bears roam and the northern lights dance across the night sky. Victoria Island, the second largest island in Canada, is a testament to the raw beauty and resilience of nature. Imagine a vast expanse of tundra stretching towards the horizon, where the only sounds are the wind whistling across the snow and the occasional call of a snowy owl. This is Victoria Island, a land where winter reigns supreme and life adapts to the extremes. Victoria Island is home to a surprising array of wildlife, including muskoxen, caribou, and Arctic foxes, all perfectly adapted to survive in this harsh environment. The island's coastal waters teem with seals, walruses, and whales drawn by the rich nutrients of the Arctic Ocean. The Inuit people have lived in harmony with this land for millennia, their traditional knowledge and way of life inextricably linked to the rhythms of the Arctic. Their deep respect for the land and its creatures serves as a model for sustainable living in one of the world's most challenging environments. Victoria Island is a stark reminder of the fragility of our planet. Chapter 7: Honshu, the beating heart of Japan. Our final destination takes us to the land of the rising sun, to an island where ancient traditions meet modern marvels. Honshu, the largest island in the Japanese archipelago, is a testament to human ingenuity and cultural richness. Imagine yourself standing amidst the bustling crowds of Tokyo, a city that seamlessly blends cutting-edge technology with centuries-old traditions. Towering skyscrapers pierce the sky, while serene temples offer moments of peace and reflection. Honshu is a land of contrasts, where bullet trains speed past ancient rice paddies and neon lights illuminate the night sky above traditional tea houses. It's a place where ancient customs are still honored and innovation shapes the future. From the snow-capped peak of Mount Fuji, a symbol of Japan's natural beauty, to the bustling streets of Osaka, a center of commerce and culture, Honshu offers a captivating journey through the heart of Japanese life. But Honshu is more than just a hub of modernity. Its cultural heritage runs deep, reflected in its exquisite gardens, ancient temples, and traditional arts. From the icy expanses of Greenland to the tropical jungles of Borneo, each of these islands has a story to tell. Stories of ancient cultures, stunning wildlife, and ecosystems that are critical to the planet's future. These islands, each unique in its own right, offer a glimpse into the incredible diversity of our planet, a diversity that deserves our admiration, respect, and most importantly, our protection. If you thought this list was mind-blowing, wait until we dive into the most mysterious islands in the world, where ancient secrets and undiscovered treasures await. Stay tuned for our next adventure.